Hey, hey, hey! Hello, dears. How are you? Are you fine? I hope so. This is Miss Iman, and let's start today's session. Okay, today we're going to have a new lesson in Unit 7, which is grammar lesson, a new lesson, and its title is contractions. Contractions. A new word. I guess that you never heard about it. Let's know, what does it mean? Okay, what is the contraction? A contraction is a shortened version of two words, apostrophe and apostrophe. So it's a shortened version of two words. So it means that a contraction means that we have a shortened version of two words. We have two words and we're gonna shorten them. How? An apostrophe is added in place of the letters taken out. So we are using apostrophe in the place of the letters taken out, removed, to shorten two words. So instead of writing two words, we take some letters out and add apostrophe. And remember that there are negative. Today we're going to talk about negative contractions. Negative. There are some affirmative contractions and negative. But today's session is about negative contractions. Negative. So we are going to use it while we are using the negative form in the sentence. Example, isn't. Can you see here? Isn't. As you can see, it's a shortened way. Isn't. Is. Of course, apostrophe is not a letter. So the main word was is plus not. Is not. Is not. The kite is not flying. Hey, notice that. When you're adding the contraction, you're gonna change the pronunciation. It's going to change the pronunciation for the word itself. How? Is not. Is not. But if I'm going to add the contraction, it will be isn't. The kite isn't flying. The kite isn't flying. So what we do? We crossed O and we added apostrophe. And now it isn't. Instead of is not two words, we just take out some letters. We just take out a letter to make it one word in a shortened way, which is isn't. Isn't. We just added apostrophe. Has, not, hasn't. Are not, aren't. Have not, haven't. Let's read some examples. The kite isn't flying. The kite isn't flying. Is not flying. The wind hasn't returned. We aren't going to get upset. We haven't taken a break. That's it. Instead of writing two words, you're going to shorten them and add apostrophe and the letters that you're taking at the replacement for the letters you have taken out. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, a contraction is a short form of two words. Here we are. So a contraction is only a short form of two words. A short form. How it's a short form? Okay, we said that. It's a short form as we are removing a letter and instead of making them two words, we're just blending them together to be one word and with a crossed letter and adding apostrophe. An apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been left out. Some contractions are made by combining a verb with the word not. Here we are. Some contractions, we said that some contractions are affirmative and some are negative. In the negative form, it's made by combining a verb with the word not. A verb with the word not. A verb as is, are, have, has, does, do, and instead I'm adding not. And instead of writing not itself, I'm making them two words. I'm just going to make them one word with adding apostrophe. Is not, isn't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, don't, do not do that, don't do that. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, it's a video about contraction. I'm going to send you the link with the PowerPoint to watch it. Let's see some examples. Okay, the cat, can you see? The cat does not like the ball. The cat does not like the ball. A word, another word. And instead, I'm going to combine them together to form only one word in the shortened version. The cat doesn't like the ball. Can you see? I've just crossed O, and combined the two words together. I'm just added apostrophe. So we make it a shortened version. This is the contraction. The cat doesn't like the ball. Instead of saying does not, two words, I'm just combining them to be one word, which is doesn't. Do not, don't. I'm not. I have not seen you a while. Haven't seen you a while. If you have more examples, just mention them. And this was our session for today. This was Miss Iman, and have a good day. See you later. Catch you later. Goodbye.